Alright, so I wanted to show you guys how to remove a spur gear on a Revo or a Slayer made by Traxxas. This is the easiest way to change a spur gear. First you start with the 2.5 wrench and loosen all these screws down here on the bottom and get this guard off. And then you'll take a 2.0, I believe this is a 2.0 wrench, and you'll loosen these set screws. Okay, you loosen the set screws on the yoke, set those aside somewhere safe. You'll need to reinsert, and there's also another one in this hole right back here for this back shaft. Okay, so once you have those two removed, set them aside with all the rest of your stuff, then you just slide that out and slide that out, and now all the wrenching on the bottom is completed. So you want to turn your model over, and now for the top, what you want to do is you could go ahead and move the air filter out of the way, and then for the top all you need to do is take this screw right here which connects the linkage to the brake cam, and this is also a 2.0 wrench. You take this screw off, and once you get this loose, you don't even have to take it all the way off actually, you can just get it loose enough to where the linkage will slide out. The linkage has a little sleeve here, so I'll back out the screw a little bit more, and now you can slide that out like that. Okay, and now basically the transmission is loose, so now how to take it out is you just go ahead and pull it like that, and that is actually the easiest way to change the spur gear. So you see the spur gear shaved down. I'll take off that nut, take off these three screws rather, and remove the spur gear, replace the spur gear, and then follow the rest of the order of operations backwards, and you'll be back on the road. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.